Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum 10th class. How are you? I hope you are doing well. We were discussing about homeostasis in human, and in your previous lesson you discussed about the role of skin, and our next subtopic is about lungs, and we have studied about lungs in our previous chapter very well, so no need to go in detail. Today we will discuss about anatomy, physiology, kidney, ureter, bladder and urethra, and we will study all these points in urinary system. What is urinary system? The excretory system of human is also called the urinary system. And what's its anatomy? Human urinary system is formed of one pair of kidneys, a pair of ureter, a urinary bladder, a urethra, right? So in our urinary excretory system, these parts are present. Physiology or role of excretory system: kidneys. First point is kidneys. Kidneys filter blood to produce urine, right? It's physiology or it's function of kidneys. Ureters carry urine from kidneys to urinary bladder, right? So one by one we will discuss the role of all these parts. Next one is bladder. The bladder temporarily stores urine until it is released from body. The next is urethra. Urethra is the tube that carries urine from urinary bladder to the outside of body. So with the help of a simple diagram, I will discuss all the parts one by one. See, in human body there are a pair of kidneys, right, and a pair of ureter, then urinary bladder, then urethra, right? And we have discussed all these parts and their functions one by one. If I revise today's lecture again, that's a simpler lecture and consists of some important points related to urinary system. The excretory system of human is also called the urinary system. What's its anatomy? Human urinary system is formed of one pair of kidneys, a pair of ureter, a urinary bladder, a urethra. And what's its physiology or role of these parts? Kidneys. Kidney filter blood to produce urine. Ureter carry urine from kidneys to urinary bladder. And then bladder. The bladder temporarily store urine until it is released from body. Urethra is the tube that carries urine from urinary bladder to the outside of body, right? So in today's lecture we will discuss only that what are the parts involved and what's their function. See, a pair of kidneys, ठीक है. किडनी क्या करती हैं? ब्लड को जो है वो फिल्टर आउट करती हैं. ब्लड के अंदर जितनी इम्प्योरिटीज़ हैं उनको फिल्टर करती हैं, ठीक है. और यहाँ से जो इसका फिल्ट्रेट है, जो ब्लड से फिल्टर किया होता है, वो इन यूरेटर, अ पेयर ऑफ यूरेटर के थ्रू किस में एंटर होता है? ब्लैडर में. और ब्लैडर में ये होता है कि थोड़ी देर के लिए यूरिन जो है वो स्टोर किया जा सकता है. उसके बाद यूरेथ्रा से ये बॉडी से एक्सक्रीट आउट कर दिया जाता है, राइट. So I made it very simple lecture today just to give you a concept about all the parts involved in urinary system. I hope you have understood, right? And what's the diary of today? Learn all parts of urinary system and answer following question. Write down anatomy of urinary system. Make one MCQ and draw figure 11.6 on notebook. ठीक है. ये जो फिगर है इसकी आपने प्रैक्टिस करनी है और इसके अलावा इसको बड़ा नीटली ड्रॉ करना है अपनी नोटबुक पे. इसके अलावा आपने एनाटमी जो है यूरिनरी सिस्टम की, जो अभी हमने स्टडी की है, इसको भी आपने जो है वो लर्न करना है. लर्न करने के बाद आपने अपनी नोटबुक पे लिखना है, ठीक है. सो नथिंग डिफ़िकल्ट. टुडेज लेक्चर वॉज वेरी सिंपल and all the parts of urinary system and their function we have studied today, right? So take care of yourself, live happy. Allah Hafiz.